Hey family, I got an awesome question from Alicia the other day asking how we could have different pets relating to different badges, and I thought it would be super useful to make a short video on how it's done step by step, and the great news is that it's very easy. So first, let's open up Companion Puppy as an example and help you understand how it works. So we see we have a formula called Schrodinger's pet. And currently it says that our puppy is sleeping. Well, how does it know that? Well, it checks if the name is pet, then it checks if the badge is complete daily quest, which it is, and then it checks if the X2Go property down here is achievement earned. So right now it's one more to go, so it's not done yet. If it's achievement earned, then we show active, otherwise we show sleeping. And otherwise, if it's not a pet, we show human. So right now we see that it's working properly. Now, how do we add a new pet for a new badge that we want to use? Well, it's really simple. Let me click on the three dots that pop up here and click duplicate. Now we open the duplicate and we change the name. Well, maybe instead of Companion Puppy, let's have a Zen Fox. So let's type Zen Fox and let's change the icon. Let's make it a fox. And the other day I came across a really cute picture of a very relaxed fox. So I'm going to use this picture. I'm going to copy the image address. I'm going to paste it in here. I'm going to submit, and now we have a Zen Fox. Well, obviously that's not it, because if we just did this, then basically this would be the same as all the other pets, which would then only be active if we completed our daily quest yesterday, or at least 70% of it. We want to change the badge. Well, let's click on badges, let's X this, and let's find a new badge to add. And in this example, because a Zen Fox to me also relates to reflecting, we'll have it trigger on Reflection Expert, which currently is showing that there's 7 more to go. So how do we edit this? Really easy. We see that we have this formula, so we're going to change this to also check if the name is Zen Fox. So let's do that, Zen Fox. And then we're going to take this chunk of code here because again, it's quite similar. We're going to paste it in here. We're going to say instead of complete daily quest though, it's Reflection Experts. So let's Reflection Expert and then exclamation mark. And then we're going to add a bunch of brackets. I'm going to have a bracket here encapsulating that. I'm going to put a close bracket here. And then we're done. That's pretty much it. It's as simple as that. So what we've just done is add one more extra if statement for if the name contains Zen Fox, then we want to check the badge Reflection Expert instead. And of course, if Reflection Expert is earned, then we want to show active pet, otherwise we show a sleeping pet. And if it's not a Zen Fox but still a pet, then we're going to use complete daily quest and achievement earned. And then that's it. Simple as that. So there's a second way that you can do this to make it really easy for yourself. What you could do is you can actually delete everything here and just say, hey, if prop X2Go is achievement earned, contains, let's use contains instead of equal sign. So contains achievement earned. So this also works. This formula also works because we're just checking if the name is a pet, and then if the X2Go is achievement earned, then it's active or it's sleeping. This makes it really flexible, so all you have to do is just change the badge. So that's actually a really good improvement that I'm going to now include in the next super package update. If you want to check it out for yourself, I'll leave this code inside the description of this video so that you guys can take it for yourself and just improve your setup. So with this change, all you have to do is just change the badge and it will automatically reflect based on the badge. So for example, if I now go to my daily quests and let's say I pick yesterday, which was Tuesday, and I say that I am hitting my stride, I'm hitting, 100% or at least over 70% of my daily quests. If I go back to here, these all become active and this one is still sleeping. So simple as that.